Lobsters are among the most fascinating and economically valuable creatures in the marine world. Belonging to the family Nephropidae, these marine crustaceans are found in oceans worldwide, from the cold waters of the North Atlantic to the tropical waters of the Pacific. Lobsters have become a symbol of luxury dining due to their delicious meat and have a significant role in the fishing industry. Their distinct appearance, featuring a hard exoskeleton and large claws, makes them easily recognizable and intriguing to many. Lobsters are characterized by their long bodies, muscular tails, and the presence of a tough exoskeleton, which they periodically shed through a process called molting. This process is crucial for their growth, as the exoskeleton does not expand. When a lobster molts, it is vulnerable until the new shell hardens, so it typically hides in crevices or burrows to avoid predators. This molting process is energy-intensive and can take several days, during which the lobster's behavior changes dramatically to ensure its survival. The anatomy of a lobster is well adapted to its environment. It has two main types of claws: the crusher claw, which is used to break shells of prey, and the pincher claw, which is more slender and used for cutting and holding on to prey. This dual claw system allows lobsters to be highly effective predators. They are omnivorous and have a varied diet that includes fish, mollusks, other crustaceans, algae, and plant material. Lobsters also scavenge, feeding on dead animals, which makes them important contributors to the ocean's ecosystem by recycling nutrients. Lobsters have a highly developed sense of smell and taste, facilitated by the numerous chemoreceptors on their antennae and legs. These sensory organs help them locate food and navigate their surroundings. Lobsters are also known for their ability to regenerate lost limbs, a feature that is particularly useful given the hostile and competitive nature of their habitats. The reproduction cycle of lobsters is another fascinating aspect of their biology. Female lobsters carry fertilized eggs under their tails for several months until they hatch into larvae. The larval stage is planktonic, meaning the larvae float freely in the water and are carried by currents. This stage lasts for several weeks before the larvae settle to the ocean floor and begin their transition into juvenile lobsters. This reproductive strategy helps distribute lobsters over a wide area, promoting genetic diversity and increasing their chances of finding suitable habitats. In the wild, lobsters play a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. By preying on various smaller marine organisms, they help control population sizes and prevent overgrazing of algae and other plant materials. Their scavenging behavior also contributes to the cleanliness of the ocean floor by breaking down and consuming dead organic matter. Economically, lobsters are one of the most valuable seafood commodities. The lobster fishing industry supports thousands of jobs worldwide, from fishers to processors and distributors. The management of lobster fisheries is essential to ensure sustainable harvesting practices. This includes setting quotas, regulating the size of lobsters that can be legally caught, and implementing measures to protect breeding females. These practices help maintain healthy lobster populations and prevent overfishing, ensuring the long-term viability of the industry. Lobsters are also an integral part of many cultural traditions and cuisines. In regions such as New England in the United States and the maritime provinces in Canada, lobsters are a culinary staple and a symbol of local heritage. On our lobster festivals, where communities gather to celebrate and enjoy lobster dishes, are common in these areas. The preparation of lobster can vary widely, from simple boiling or steaming to more elaborate dishes such as lobster bisque, lobster rolls, and thermidor. The research on lobsters extends beyond their culinary appeal. Scientists study lobsters to understand more about their biology, behavior, and the impact of environmental changes on their populations. Lobsters are also used in various scientific studies due to their complex nervous systems and regenerative abilities. And all this research can provide insights into broader biological processes and potential medical applications, such as nerve regeneration and the development of new materials from chitin, the substance that makes up their exoskeleton. Despite their robust nature, lobsters face several environmental threats. Climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction pose significant risks to lobster populations. Rising ocean temperatures can affect lobster metabolism, growth rates, and distribution patterns. Ocean acidification, caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, can weaken their exoskeletons and reduce their ability to fend off predators and infections. Pollution, including plastic waste and chemical contaminants, can also negatively impact their health and reproductive success. Efforts to conserve and protect lobster populations are critical. Marine protected areas, where fishing is restricted or prohibited, help safeguard important breeding and nursery grounds. Sustainable fishing practices and regulations are necessary to ensure that lobster populations remain healthy and resilient. Public awareness and education about the importance of lobsters in marine ecosystems and the challenges they face can also contribute to their conservation. Lobsters are remarkable creatures with a unique combination of biological traits that allow them to thrive in diverse marine environments. For their economic importance, cultural significance, and ecological role make them a valuable and fascinating subject of study and conservation. Protecting lobster populations and their habitats is essential for maintaining the health of marine ecosystems and supporting the communities that depend on them.